Hi friends, this video shows how to find IP address. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. First we need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here I already connected to a Wi-Fi network, my Wi-Fi. See the status connected. Set it. And here go down. Here you can find IP address section. Here you can see the IP address 192.168.219.155. That is the IP address. This is the IP address assigned by the Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So this way we can find the IP address. If you want to find the MAC address, you can see the MAC address here. And here you can see the signal strength. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.